In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional invoice using Google Docs, perfect for your business needs. Whether you're invoicing clients or just organizing your own records, a well-structured invoice can help ensure clear communication and prompt payment. Let's dive in and explore each step to craft an effective invoice right within Google Docs. First, we need to open Google Docs. Head over to your web browser and navigate to the Google Docs homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to select the option to create a blank document. You can easily spot this by looking for the large plus sign. Clicking on it will open a fresh document where you can start drafting your invoice from scratch. Next up, let's streamline the process by searching for templates. Templates can be a massive time saver, offering pre-designed layouts that you can personalize. To find these, look towards the top right corner of the Google Docs homepage for something called the Template Gallery. Click on it to explore a variety of templates that Google Docs already has to offer. Scroll through to see if any invoice templates catch your eye. If you don't find something that fits your needs, there's no need to worry. Simply do a quick online search using the keywords Invoice Template Google Docs Free. Once you find a template online that suits your style, you can easily copy and paste it into your fresh Google Docs document to use as a starting point. Now, it's all about customization. This is where you make the invoice truly yours. Start by replacing any placeholder text in the template with your own business details. Input your name, address, email, and phone number. When you personalize these elements, you maintain a professional appearance, which is crucial. Don't forget to also include your client's information, like their name, company, and contact details. It's essential to add an invoice number and date, along with a payment due date to help both you and your client keep finances organized and on track. To add another layer of clarity, we'll insert a table for line items. Click on the Insert option at the top of your screen and choose Table.
In this table, you'll want columns labeled for a description of the item or service provided, quantity, rate or unit price, and the total cost. This breakdown makes it easy for your clients to see exactly what they're being charged for. Now let's focus on formatting. A professionally formatted invoice can make all the difference. Start by highlighting the headers. Consider increasing their font size and using bold text. If you have a business logo, incorporate it for a touch of branding by going to Insert, then Image, and uploading your logo file. Consistent color use that matches your brand can make your invoice look cohesive and professional. So adjust text color and table properties accordingly. Finally, let's wrap it up by adding totals and any additional notes at the bottom of your table. Calculate the subtotal, factor in any taxes if applicable, and then finalize with the grand total. Also, provide a section for notes